Indian ethos is just like a rainbow. Nowadays, almost entire nation, I mean our country, India, is grappling with one kind of conflict or the other, be it caste conflict or communal conflict. Many parts of our nation are riddled with such conflicts and quarrels. But if you set your eyes and imagine a rainbow on the horizon of Indian sky, this understanding of the rainbow can set at rest most of those quarrels and conflicts, misgivings and misunderstandings. Instead of enjoying the beauty of that ethos, comprising many colors, many shades, many hues, you are fighting over the superiority of the color of your choice. What a pity. Actually, the whole rainbow is made of only a few colors. Permutations and combinations of those colors can give you many shades, many hues of your choice. And you can make even a better rainbow of your own. But see the rainbow and ponder over the beauty of this rainbow instead of quarreling over the colors. All these shades, all these hues have emanated from only three primary colors. Similarly, people are fighting in the names of their prophets, some saints and sages, some philosophers. What is this? They all point to the same cosmic intelligence. I have profound reverence for all the saints and sages, all the philosophers, all the prophets, as long as they teach, they have taught, live and let live. As long as they are kind to human beings and animals also, as long as they are tolerant of other religions also, as long as they are not orthodox. If you go through the stories of Ramakrishna, you will find one, how he had experimented with 4 or 5 religions during his sadhana. And ultimately he opined that if practiced dispassionately, if practiced intently, the ultimate truth can be realized by following all the paths.